I won't say that you guys asked for it, but you didn't not ask for it. So instead of us doing all of this on the fly and during the stream when we're trying to beat the insanely crazy, stupid levels, we're going to take this moment to work on all of this fun stuff. That's what today's stream is about. What's up, JC the OG, good person? So, wow. We've got HS Shivel in the house. I mean, I'm a little early. So, first off, let's check out the checkpoint stuff. Let's fix that command up, right? Let's go fix that one up. So commands, what up, Bleeding Weasels? What up, Breeze? Yo, it has been a long time. Orange guy named Colton. So checkpoints. So you just type !lay loot. So if I go lay loot, it should check the points. My balance is 0. Doctor is in. Whoa. So what I want to do is I want to add lay loot to me. So here's the deal, everyone. Here's the deal. I upgraded my streamer bot to the super secret alpha release. That's why you see the dark mode. So I believe that the database might not be there. The database is there now. I think it's there now because we're live again. So like if I go into here and I go to persistent user, so it's YouTube. Yep. So everybody who's on this stream right now, you are all the first obtainers of lay loot. So don't, JC, I know you like to give memberships. Don't do it yet. There's things that I want to do in here to test things. If you're going to, I'm not assuming. I'm not assuming, okay? But I do want to, I want to do some things that will automatically give you points if and when you do such a thing. So that way you don't have to wait around for a moderator who are barely here looking at you, Dr. Fu. Bleeding Weasels is on point. Bleeding Weasels, that is a man who takes his moderatorship very seriously. I want to say that much. Bleeding Weasels is one of the best mod decisions I've ever made, and he made it for me. So I'm just gonna let that one ride there for a moment. Okay. So we've got add points and gift points. So add points is what I want to do, right? So add points is this, add lay loot. So we're going to go into the actions. The actions now look like this. So add points, command, get user points, gift points. I want to add, all right, add set points. So we're going to look at what this actually says. YouTube message, all. All right, so that is that. Target username now has points name. Okay. That's what's up there. What up, IPT? Dr. Fu, did you cancel a stream or something? My. So if I were going to go add lay loot. What up, Pixel Drops? You were waiting for one of these streams? Oh, awesome. Add lay loot at DJ LeFave 100. Does that work? Does that work? Sorry, DJ LeFave, didn't type the command correctly. Make sure it's add points. I don't think it's add points. I thought we changed that. So here it's going to be add level message command. Oh, here, right there. That's what we want. So add points action with username, cancel. Get global points name to points name with value of points, execute code. So what do I need? What does it need to do? Set arguments. What's this got to say here? Add points, add lay loot. So that's it. Make sure there's a plus there. You think that's all? That's all I need is just a plus sign? Wouldn't that be funny? Because I'm saying add. All right, we'll try it. Plus. Because add is different from gifting. Sorry, doesn't exist. Or you spelled their name wrong. Maybe there's no at. Make sure you don't do another rookie mistake, dude. I will not. Get rid of the at, and we'll do plus 100. I don't exist. Or you spelled the name wrong. I did not spell the name wrong. Maybe I did. Maybe it's got to be all like DJ LeFave plus 100. I hate having my one self tell my other self that I'm not here. That's rude. So rude. All right, let's figure this out. It's all written right here. It's literally written all right here. Right here. This stream is so fake. Doesn't exist equals true. So I wonder if I can't even... All right. Get global points name to points name with value of points. Wait. Variable name, points name, points name. All right, that's fine. Execute code. So the code now... Here's the code, just so we all can see. Want to see what's the string to value, string user list, user template, value, tuple to string, return, raw input. So I need the raw, what's the raw input split? What's it looking for here inside of the raw input? That's what we're going to drill down to see. Target username. I need to see what the string is supposed to look like. Is corrupt trying to modify their own? No. It might be because I changed the name. It might be because I changed the name. So if I just went back to the commands, YouTube, add points. So it's add LeFave, but I'm going to change that back to add points. Add points. Okay. Should be for every moderators only. Am I not a moderator? I mean, I should be able to do this. Options. Ignore internal messages, I guess. Sources, YouTube. Okay. Let's try this again. Add, we're changing it now to add points. Add points. DJ LeFave. I don't even know if I need the at. Oh, there should be a space. Oh, wait. My name was spelled wrong. Because there was no space. Oh. We might be all right here. We might be all right to change this to LeFave. We might be okay. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. I just didn't even know my own name. Add LeFave. DJ LeFave. Plus one, that many. Give me that many. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. All right. So now that we have that command working, you might want to go to the doctor if you forgot your own name. I forgot the spelling, man. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. So I will ask JC the OG as the GOAT who gifts a lot of memberships. Every individual time that somebody gifts, do you think you should earn 1,000? 1,000, LeFave? 10,000? 10,000 for any amount of gift. Gift once, gift 5, gift whatever. 1,000? Because you can only do it per the one thing, I think. So where are they at? It's right here. Membership gifting. What's up, Ian? Welcome. Welcome. Oh, I got to change that command now too. So that needs to be first words, and this needs to say YouTube message. Right there. Use. You just been awarded some points. Use. I thought I changed the name there. Points name. Use exclamation point LeFave. I think that's all we need to say here. Use LeFave to check your balance. JC, I asked you a question, man. Where you at? So, as an example of this working, okay, you all are gonna have some fun with this one. We're gonna do an example. I'm gonna regret this. I'm going to regret this. Okay. What's up, Astris? Welcome to the show. Commands. Everything moved around on me. Commands, and we're just gonna create a new command. We're gonna call this add test. Oh no. Test. You guys are all gonna be, for this one, you guys are gonna be testees. So the command is going to be testee. Testees. Group YouTube point system. No, this could be, yeah, that's fine. One gift should equal 100 lay loot. I can't do it per gift though. I don't think. I can't. I can't. So you guys are all going to be testees here. Options, it's going to be, sources. It's just going to be for YouTube message. Okay. All right. We're going to say, okay. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. We didn't create the action yet. So add. Testee. This is what you guys get for being here. Okay. Chat commands default. Okay. Okay. There. So from here, don't type it yet. Don't type it yet. Plus core commands, command triggered, test. Okay. We say okay. So add. Now, do I get your username? Do I get your username? What's up, twins? Welcome. Username, points name, YouTube message. All right, user. There we go. We're just gonna do this. Right there, copy. Okay. Testee. Add. YouTube. Send message to channel. Add lay loot plus. I don't know. You guys are gonna kill me here. Plus 5. All right, now you can try the testee command. You guys could be a bunch of testees for me. All right. Oh no, it worked. It worked. Oh Lord. So we can automatically give you points when you do something. Nice. Look at all my testees. My testees are awesome. You guys are the best testees a guy could ask for. That's great. Man, what a bunch of great testees. Really. Really. Fantastic. All right. Look at all that. Look at all that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Now that we know that works, disable. Disable. Dude, it sounds like you're saying something else when you say testees. Get your mind out of the gutter. We've got a bunch of people that are really excited to test these new things. All right. We've turned it off. We've turned it off. We fixed it. So copy sub action. So now if I go into new gifting, right? So membership gifting, we're going to go here and we're going to paste sub action. So now if you gift, I think 500 is a good amount. If you gift any amount, well, we don't need this one. We don't need this one. We don't need that sound. That sound got me in trouble the other day. So I need to go look for a different sound. What is the gifting sound? I need a gifting sound. I guess DJ horn. That works. Oh, Flipper. Yeah, Flipper. Yeah, that's the one. All right, we got... Oh, beautiful. Make a command that takes away one single point for no reason. It would be so funny. I could do that. I could do that. Or better than that. Better than that. Hold on. This one is that one. We go there. Copy. I got a better one for you. Paste sub action. And we say, I don't even know how to, wait, I don't know how to do that one. I don't know how to thank you in the chat, so we'll just thank you verbally. So can you add negative points? All right, so now if you gift, we're gonna play the flipper sound and you get 500 lay loot. And then the number can change. It could change. I think if we do add lay loot and we'll just do Dr. Fu -5, we'll see if that subtracts it. We'll see if it subtracts it. Sorry, you didn't type the command correctly. Make sure it's add points. Is it add? No. Is it add points? Do I have to do plus or minus 5? Plus or minus 5? Dr. Fu now has 330 points. Wait. Whoa. Did that work? Did that work? Plus minus 5. Okay. All right. Now we're good. Now you guys can all be villains. Okay. Now you can all be villains, and I'm gonna show you how. All right. Give him 10 back. Nah, he's fine. Here. Dr. Fu can get. There you go. You just got 9,999 because he's a moderator and he has to be able to give out points. All right, so we're gonna take the testd command. Okay, so when we go into here, we're gonna go into our commands. Okay, and our command for testd we're now going to change. So testd, where's that one? Test right here. So right here we're gonna change this to villain. Did I spell villain right? Villain. Villain. Is that it? Villain. All right. Yeah. Here we go. Villain. That's good enough. Oh, big bad guy. Oh, that's fine. Big bad guy. There we go. All right. So we're gonna call this one Big Bad Guy. Now, here's the deal. So for cooldown, user cooldown, this means that you're only going to be able to use this command one time. If I do this for 999 seconds. What's up, Daniel? Welcome to the stream. So I only do this, so like that, you're only going to be able to use this one time. So this is called Big Bad Guy. So Big Bad Guy, and what's going to happen with Big Bad Guy? So you're going to have to, it's going to have to take the raw input. So that's a little bit trickier. Because it's going to have to take your input, right? So there's going to have to be an input after this of something. So Big Bad Guy, and then you have to like, I'll have to think about that one. It can be done where you could run that command one time. I don't know if I want to go into that one that deep right now, but it could certainly be done. In case you were wondering, randomly nominated. It's gonna have to pick a username. So, oh, Music Man's here. I didn't even see you, Music Man. Welcome, Music Man. I mean, I just don't know off the top of my head because I'm not that super smart. But if I went back into actions and see if there's any like raw input. So add level takes this raw input. This one takes raw input. Set argument, point cost to 100. Checkpoint, redeem level request. User just redeemed. So what are we doing? We're taking the raw input. Make it so it's a 1% chance that someone is selected as a big bad guy. I can't. It has to pick the actual username. So you're going to have to type it, and then it's going to have to take that as an argument. It's going to have to take that into an argument. So check points balance for redeem level request. But see, this one takes your raw input. New points, just redeem name, points cost. You have new points, no points left. Do you have a variable global set yet for random active username? Not for random active. It's not that yet. Ooh, big brain time. Yes, let's go do that. So Discord webhook. So this has to take the raw input. Raw input. User raw input. Raw input? That might. So I'm going to have to regex it is what I'm going to have to do. Because when we have the raw input value, that is doing this level request, and it will take your username. Oh, no. Oh, no. That might work. That might work. Okay, let's keep driving. Let's keep driving. All right, testd. This one is going to be called Big Bad Guy. Did I spell that right? Big Bad Guy. Big Bad Guy. All right. Okay. So now the command triggered is Big Bad Guy. All right. And then YouTube message. to all will be add loot. This is where we put the raw input, and we're gonna say add a minus 100. Minus 100. Add loot raw input. Okay, now let me take the cooldown off of this. Well, no, let me try this. Big bad guy music man. What's up, Stick? So let's see if that works. It didn't work. Why not? Big bad guy. Oh, is it not enabled? Oh, wait. Am I enabled here? Hey, am I enabled here? What's going on? Big bad. Where did that go? Oh, it's not enabled. Gotta enable it. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Here we go. Big bad guy. Add. Yes! Yes! Boom. Music Man's gonna take a beating here. So Pixel Drops has an emoji in their name, so that he's actually gonna be a hard one to get there. Give it back. I'll give it back. There you go. Oh no, I didn't do it right. All right. You're not unstoppable. I won't say that much. I won't say you're unstoppable. Infallible, maybe. Because if I were to do this, right? Oh no, if you're just typing it, it works. But this enables anybody to one time drop somebody points. So if we go back to the commands now, command, and then we're gonna go big bad guy, cooldown, yeah, user cooldown 999. So this means that you can only use it. You can only use it one time. That's it. You can only use it one time. Oh, you didn't wait. Add loot, pixel drops. Huh. Oh, you spelt it wrong again, Stick. And now you can't use it again. You forgot the R. Oh, no, it is Dops. I'm sorry, it is Dops. Oh, there's a space. Is there a space? There is a space in between the emoji. Oh. So, there is that. Additionally, what I wanted to do, and because people are always asking me, "Hey, LeFave, what are the commands? LeFave, what are the commands?" So let's do this. I had an idea for the commands, right? Shine in with you. I shall shine in with you. Yeah, you can't. You've already done it, man. You've already done big bad guy. It should be timed out, so it shouldn't do anything because you have you can only use it one time. So unfortunately, it's a one time per stream shot at somebody is what it is. Site design. Look at that. Oh, it did work. How did that work? It's only supposed to happen one time. It's only supposed to work one time is what it's supposed to do. Stick, hit him back. Oh, you can't hit him back. So what I was going to do is I was going to go pages and I was going to go create a custom page and we're going to call this commands. Okay. Create. So now on this page, commands, your content goes here, add section. We're just going to add text, right? Just going to add text. And this is where we're going to say, we can list all the commands here. Can I do random outputs? You could probably do anything, especially if you know C#. I'm not all that smart on C#. So this one we're going to call, how do I do this? How do I edit this? Oh, you edit it right here. Heading, paragraph, and then I can add another section. Okay. So we're going to call this one Big Bad Guy. this is a one-time use per stream chance for you to be the big bad guy. Simply type the command followed by your target's YouTube name, and they will lose 100 lay loot. All right, so this is the so if I click save, right, we have the commands, and then I want to actually go to this site. How do I go to this? How do I go to this page? Pages, the commands, pages. How do I get to right here? Commands. How do I get to this? Is it just DJ LeFave the commands? Hold on. djlefave.com/commands. Okay, perfect. So when you right there, it's going to be a listing of all the commands. We can put them all on here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create we're going to create a command called commands, which is kind of funny, I guess, right? What if I don't want to nominate a big bad guy? Then, you know, we could do a big good guy too. We got a big bad guy and we could do a big good guy. We could do that, right? If you learn to do random outputs, a gamble command is required. You could do gambling and stuff, but that gets kind of spammy. So this one is going to be called commands. We'll just call it commands. Commands. And then the cooldown is going to be global cooldown. Global cooldown will make it as 180 seconds. 180 seconds sounds good. Sources, YouTube, and we say okay. And then we go into actions, and we're going to just duplicate the big bad guy. Where you at? Big bad guy. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, big bad guy? We can call it La Hero. We can call it La Hero. Okay, I'm good with that. La Hero. Here, duplicate. And this one is going to be called commands. Say okay. Trigger command. Commands. Okay. Check out all the commands here. Okay, so now if you do exclamation point commands, and this you all could try it. It could be multiple people doing it, because it should only trigger one time a response, because there's a global cooldown on this one. It's commands with an S. There you go, Stick. Nice. Nice. Thank you for helping again, Colton. Perfect. Perfect. So then we just have to, yeah, when you click on it, it goes here. It goes to that page. Nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. So that works out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about that. But now we got to do the next one, which is going to be La Hero, right? We've got to do La Hero now. Because if you're a big bad guy, then you have to have a La Hero. Now, it's always nicer to be nice than it is to be mean. So we're going to do big bad guy, duplicate this one. Duplicate. Is there not a duplicate button? Not a duplicate button. I just got to copy and paste. Copy. I know, I just got to make a whole new one. Right? Is that for real? Edit. Group enabled reset. I'm not miscopy. I guess you can't. You just gotta make a new one. Add. This one is gonna be called Le Hero. And we're going to call it exclamation point Le Hero. And then cooldowns here again. It's going to be one use per stream. Where can I post memes on your Discord server? Probably nowhere, Dark City 8, because I'll be honest, having been the recipient of a lot of things that people find funny, I don't really find them funny. So I'm going to say it's in your best interest not to post any memes on our Discord server. Chat, can you agree? I really have never seen many good memes out there that I at least find funny. Now, take into account that I'm 42 years old. Maybe the kids find some other things a little more funny. But for me personally, I've not seen one meme really that has grabbed my attention there. There we go. As worthy of inclusion. But we'll get there. I'm actually working on some Discord things, so give it time. Memes can get out of hand easily. So easily. All right, Le Hero actions. Big bad guy. Duplicate. And this one's going to be called Le Hero. Okay. Command triggered is going to be Le Hero. So here's the fun part here. So now, if you lose 100 for being the villain, you will gift somebody 200 for being a hero. And that's active. So it's exclamation point Le Hero followed by the username. Now, I should require. Do I have to require? Look at that. Yeah, give yourself money. You see the good in humanity, right? Everybody, what? It's like, no, you guys are, oh man. Now, so if user does not equal user, you guys are really gonna make me work on. All right, I gotta make a note for this now. I gotta make a note. Hold on. All right. I'm gonna do this off stream, okay? Notes. Do a user variable check on Le Hero first. Also verify that there is raw data. Where is it? Raw data. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Did you guys all give yourself... You all just... Bleeding Weasels, thank you. Thank you, Bleeding Weasels. Not all heroes wear capes. Please, I beg you, do a lottery kind of gamble. I beg you. There's probably one already made. You may gift now, JC the OG, and you will hear Flipper, and you'll hear Flipper, and you should get points in the stream. You should get them if you'd like to gift. Now this type of gifting would benefit you to gift one at a time instead of 5 at once. So you just added 500, but if you did 5 individual ones, you're gonna get 500 for each one of them. Just an FYI, and I was trying to tell you that before you jumped in. Thank you so much for the gifted memberships. But if you because it's automagic that way. That's how we have it coded now. We could look into making it, a little deeper. Unlucky as always. DJ LeFave, hear me out. Hear me out, says Orange Guy named Colton. I'm hearing you out. But it better be good to listen. It better be, yes, make it deeper. Deeper. S2YK. That, oh, all the alt accounts coming in. Free money. Free money. You only get to do it one time, JC. Now, I do know you have 17 other different accounts. You guys are terrible. Can we make some eggplant happen on this stream, gang? Can we make some eggplant happen? Can we do that? Can we do that? Good. I'm glad. Here we go. We are going to do a new one right now. Redeem eggplant. Okay, so we're going to... I know you all... Not yet. Not yet. Darn it, JC. You guys really, really are awesome. You guys are so awesome. I can't get over how incredibly awesome you guys are. You guys are so incredibly awesome. I can't find the adjectives to describe at this moment in time just how awesome you all are. Like, I cannot find the words. I'm looking for them. I'm looking hard. Wait, you can't gift. Well, you can gift. Oh, you can. Everyone can gift. What up, Red Apple JD? Oh, we got another alt. Hey, man, it's all gravy. It's all gravy. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're gonna first. We've got to do commands, and then we need an eggplant. So here's gonna be add. This one's gonna be eggplant. What's the command? The command is gonna be so exciting. No. Dr. Fu always says it should be the least amount of words ever. What up, alien? EP. EP? EP? EP. PP. EPP. EPP? Just kind of, just do, well, fine. We'll just keep it like that. We'll keep it an eggplant. That's easy enough. That's easy enough. That's easy enough. Eggplant is fine. Eggplant, cooldowns, no cooldowns, point system. Okay. All right. We got that done. So now we go into our actions. Inside of our actions, we're going to now take this one. How do I make this so I can see them? I want to be able to actually see them. JC the GOAT, just killing it. Definitely a real human. What up? It's like you know who these. This is the perfect way to discover who are all of these alt accounts. This is the perfect way. What up, DC8 Music? It's the as soon as you see who they're gifting, who they're being the heroes for, that is it. Colton, I'm going to ask you one time more kindly just to stop trying to be an attention hog here. Be a part of the conversation. I don't want to be, I'm just going to say stop. All right. And moderators, you can moderate that from here on out. All right. That was my polite warning. Here we go. So we're going to do command redeem fire in the hole. We're going to duplicate this one. Duplicate. All right. This one is going to be called now. What are we calling this? This is going to be called eggplant. Redeem egg. Eggplant. Egg on your face. Okay. So now if you trigger, wait, what? Redeem core commands, command triggered eggplant. Eggplant. Okay. Eggplant is going to cost 10,000 points. What up, generic? Why was LeLoot reset? You're gonna notice that I'm on this really fancy new dark mode background. I upgraded to the alpha beta release of the system that I was using to utilize to manage the points, and the database did not transfer over. So you guys are just getting them here. All right, you're getting them here. How do you gift people? I don't know. Gift LeLoot space username space plus the points that you want to gift. So this is what we're gonna do here. So that. All right, play sound. All right. Set argument redeem name to blind. Wait, this isn't blind. This is. Wait. Checkpoints. Set argument redeem name. Is it supposed to be blind? That's not right. This is oh, I see. Eggplant. Okay, there we go. There we go. What's up, Controller Crazy? Welcome to the stream. To eggplant. YouTube message. All user just blank. All right, so we're going to say JC the OG just redeemed eggplant for this much for points cost. Points name. Wait, we don't need. There's so many repeats here. You have new points left. Or say okay. All right. So this one there. We're gonna do here. We're gonna play. We know it has to go here. Beavis and Butthead. There. There's that. All right. What up, Boom Slayer? Last stream was a blast. It was a blast. Add OBS Studio sources, scene filter. So now we're gonna do on my camera with FX, and we're gonna say eggplant up. All right, there's that, and then I need to put a timer in here. Add core delay of 4,500, I think. Is it good? What up, Ultra Jose 2012? LeBlind may not be in here right this moment. Just give me a moment to get LeBlind back in here. All right, LeBlind may not be back in here. So just please hold. Please hold. Delay that. And then I want to duplicate this one. And this one is going to be, hello, username is very cool. It is very cool. Very good message. This next one is going to be, what sound? It's like a, what is the sound of it going down? What is that? What sound was it? Soundboard. I forget what the sound was called. Pixel Dops, you're just grabbing points left and right. Cartoon boing. Ding sound. Gat 0. Remember that sound? Oh gosh. Gat 0. Gat 0. What is the sound name? I don't remember what we named it as. I'm gonna have to come back out of here and check this real quick. Cancel. We need to hear him. What's up, X? Welcome to the show. We're going through our soundboard real quick. Our soundboard says water. It's not water on the hill. It's not water on the ground. It's not that sound. That's Riz. Peaches, no. No. What's this sound?
And his name is John Cena!
It's not that sound. And his name is John Cena! What's up, Kira? Welcome. Cumes is here. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, that's a good one. We'll do Cartoon Boing. All right, Cartoon Boing it is. Cartoon Boing it is. That's a good one. Why do I have so many weird sounds on my computer? Cartoon Boing. Okay. Z is here. We almost have all the letters. We almost have all the letters. We got X, Y, and Z. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I think that's it. I think that's it. So we're going to just change the points here real quick to 100 just to be fun. All right. So eggplant is active. The eggplant command is active, ladies and gentlemen. Take your 100 points and spend them wisely. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Let's see if the timing is good here. All right, I'm waiting. Oh, it's so exciting. It worked. It worked. Whoa. Timing is off. Timing is off. Timing is off. We need to do 6,000. 6,000. 6,000. I think it's got to be 6,000 right there. It's back, Music Man. It's back. LeBlind is not in here right now. Hold on. LeBlind got right here. This why is LeBlind? Oh, because the command is not here. Command. Need a YouTube point system. Points balance. We do a new one here. Add LeBlind. LeBlind. LeBlind, how do you do it? How do you do it? We're getting there. We're getting there. What up, Time? I don't even know who all the heroes are. LeBlind, and then sources for YouTube. No cooldowns. We'll say okay. So LeBlind is there. Actions. Flashing lights. That's good. Here. Command is going to be LeBlind. Okay. Points there. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Helps if I show you what I'm doing, right? Right. Okay, so points name, value that, set points value to blind. We say okay. And then YouTube message, all user just, I did not spell that right. Just blinded DJ LeFave. What's up, Jerry Long Gaming? How many side ones do you guys have? That's crazy. Blinded DJ LeFave by redeeming. Oh, it worked! Oh, God! I didn't even know. It wasn't even ready. It wasn't even ready yet, Music Man. Now you got crap stuff. Oh my gosh. For redeem name, just by redeeming LeBlind for points cost. There we go. You have percent new points and points left. We say okay. Can I have more? Don't you have enough? You have enough. You have enough, good sir. All right, LeBlind is on the table. So while that's on the table, then let's look at this real quick. I need to we need to update. So this list right here, site design. So we need to add a section, right? So we need to add text. So we're gonna do all of these first. We need to write out all of the ones that are on here, so that way it's. By the way, do you want cool ASCII characters to represent your cool points, man? What do you mean? What you mean, man? I think I got it. Donating my life savings to Pixel Dops. All right, hold on. I'm reading chat right now. Wait, add Lelu, JC. You can't do that, can you? That didn't work for you, Jason, right? Tell me that's not working for you. If that works for you, good gravy. We got problems. That's why you're not a moderator. Yeah, it's a moderator only, man. The moderator only. These little characters. What little characters? All right, they are text. What little character? Oh, the ones that you make? Oh, you mean like? Hold on. I actually have that. I have that as a thing. I don't know if you know this or not, but this is a thing that I have. Filters. Check this out. What? Turn the stroke off. Look at that. It's ASCII, baby. I am ASCII. ASCII is me. I am ASCII. A large set of non-letters. We can do small set of capital letters. We can make the scale larger. That is me. I'm a bunch of floating letters. Wah! That's going to be a redeem. Woo! Kind of reminds me of a Kanye West cover title. Wait, what? No. Oh! Wow! We can totally do that. All the letters, baby. All the letters. And we can even change the coloring of it. You can do a whole bunch of cool. Like, this is really cool, right? This is one of the things that I've been wanting to add in there, but I haven't added it in yet because we don't do streams like this anymore. We don't do streams. I can see that star you've got there. I can see it. Cumes is poor. He's not accumulating any funds. I look pretty good as letters. I'm gonna say, I look pretty good as letters. I just want to let everybody else know that I'm pretty good looking as letters. That was short-lived. Okay. And who is the one not doing these streams? Shut up. Shut it. Just shut up. We need to do at least one of these a week, I guess, if we're going to be building stuff out like this. So look commands. So then this is where I need to write all of the different commands, right? I need to put these all onto this because when you guys do commands, it's going to bring you to the website so everybody who's asking, what are all the commands? Well, we'll have them on the website. Ah, it's all right. Where are my glasses? All right. Hit me with again. I dare you. I'm prepared this time, fools. I'm prepared this stream. Prepared. As soon as I take them off. It doesn't work like that. Please don't use my name. It doesn't work like that. It's literally looking for the wrench, okay? It's literally looking for the wrench. Nice try. Nice try. For real. I've had some trolls in the past. It's been pretty rough. So I do need to update all of this with all of the different commands. Good guess, though. Fabulous guess. Imagine if it worked. On another system of mine, it might have worked. This one is much more true to what we're doing. I can't believe my water bottle even has oh, idea. I had this idea. Hold on, let me hydrate. So, for all these years, a common Twitch thing has always been, one of the channel point redemptions was hydrate. And I always thought that was the stupidest freaking channel point redemption. You're going to tell somebody to drink water? Darn it, I'm going to drink water when I'm gosh darn ready to drink some water. But then I had this idea. What if it's not actually hydrate? What if you are redeeming a channel point to make me stop what I'm doing to talk to chat for a little bit? What if that's what hydrate really meant? What if I'm in the middle of playing skeletal shenanigans and somebody drops 500 lay loot for hydrate, that's like, you know what? It's time to take a break. When you get to a good stopping point, stop, chill, talk to chat for a little bit. Like, it's a forced cooldown. That's what I thought about. Now, do we want to call it lay hydrate? L'aqua? L'aqua? Le water? We could do that. But I think that kind of makes the command make more sense. It does. Yeah, I think it makes it make more sense, is what I'm thinking. Oh, man. Made pancakes for dinner tonight. Is gift points or gift lay loot? It's gift lay loot, generic. You know what? It's a great question. Why shouldn't it be on this website? Here we go. It's going to be gift lay loot, and then we say username plus points amount, lay loot amount. We'll just say amount. There we go. Gift lay loot. And then we say, oops. What happened there? What? No. Back. What? Gift lay. All right, here we go. Gift lay loot. So right here, text. No, not that one. This one. Back. This is what I have to get this right here. Feeling generous. Gift some of your hard-earned lay loot. There we go. That's good enough, I think. Right? Gift lay loot. Now, what I did want to do is I want to add a section here. Not announcement bar. Add section, and we're gonna add a links list. A links list. Create a links list. No, I just want an image. Upload an image. Right, like that. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Image link. Oh wait, image link. Oh, I can't. Well, I don't want to do that. All right, gotta go. Later, stick. Where am I at here? What is this? This can go away. What is this? This is header, announcement bar. What did I do here? Delete. What the crap? Delete section. Yes. What I want to do is I want to put add header section, a text bar with optional countdown. No. I want to add links. I want to add the Discord link. So basically, I would like to add the Discord link here. Little commands. But help, my smiley face fries look like burn victims. Oh no. Pixel Dops, you can't gift yourself points. Ah! Can you put variables into the gift lay loot command? Such as what? No. I mean, you could put anything, it's code. But gift lay loot, username, I mean, I should just, that's actually probably too confusing there. So it should be gift lay loot, username, boom, plus amount. There you go. There's that. Save. Cumes just, oh, Pixel Dops. Wait, you can't gift. Wait, if you gift a -1, is that like gifting 1? Like it sounds like a double negative. Anywho, this is going to take some time to do this, and I don't know that I really want to spend time on stream putting this together, but this is where I want to put all the commands. All right, this is where we should put everything, so that way we have a place that we could just send people so they're not annoying. We can just be like, go to this website, and while you're there, go buy something, will you? We got a whole bunch of great stuff over here. Want a sticker? You want a hat? How about a cool little shirt? We got all the cool stuff on this. Did you even know this existed? You want some cool, chill Geometry Dash stream music, man? So many nice things over here. Music Man, talk about the hoodies. The hoodies are fantastic. They're fantastic. Are you still -100? I'm pretty negative right now. Yeah, I'm pretty negative. Not gonna lie, dude. I love my hoodie. I loves it. All right. So we've got eggplant done. We've got a good core of commands right now. I think Discord works. It's trying to give away debt, but I ain't in debt, so it ain't working. My mom told me last week we need to shop for more clothes that are good, like my LeFave hoodie. Ah, your mom's awesome. We can make more clothes. I can make more items. So Bill, kind of, sort of, I'd have to create the motion behind Bill. If you guys really want Bill, hold on, we'll do this. Start a poll. Bill? Yes, no. All right, there are 7 people watching. We really want. Let's see. Answer the poll. Answer the poll. Go ahead. Answer. Damn it! Stop it. No. No, renaming it that would Pixel Dops would make it very hard for people to type it. 7 votes, all yes. You guys are amazing. Don't you forget it. You guys are amazing, okay? You are amazing. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to do it on a scene. We're going to do this on a scene. Do I have an image? Image, add existing. We're going to add Bill. Bill is not here. Cancel. We're going to go to my files. I can't believe this. Could the bill have the profile picture of the person who activated right across the bill across the screen? Yes. But you just increased this from a 3-minute thing to it's going to be longer than 3 minutes. I hope you know what you just got yourself into. All right? I hope you knew what you just asked for, okay? So it's a stream long endeavor. I mean, it's cool. It's kind of something that I've done before. It is. What up, Mutation? I've wasted so much of your time. So much. I'm the guy that made you play GD. Biggest time suck ever. All right, there's Bill. There's Bill. So to do what you say, right? To do what you say, get global execute code, set global browser profile, set browser of which one I want to do? Alert box VIP browser VIP chatter user profile. Okay. All right. So let me just see this real quick. Where am I at? Which one is that? Member URL. Oh, there you go. All right. So we're getting we are getting them. Okay. We are getting them. So they're being got. They are being got. Just to let you know. They're being got. Don't spam it all in one place. You'll hurt yourself. Now, what actually could be done is you could become the bill. FYSA. You could become the bill, just to let you know. I don't know if you know about this little trick, So if I were to take this bill right here, right? Just like this. Yeah, I am the bill. So if I take this bill and I right click and I'm going to go to filters, I'm going to go to color correction. We're going to say okay. And then I'm going to make it, I want to make it whiter like that. No, maybe like that. Just kind of like that. And then we're going to make the saturation. No, ah, it's so bright. It's so bright. Ah, it's so bright. Oh, gosh. Golly. Actually, that just works like that. That's fine. So we do this, right? We do this, and now we have the actual bill PNG. I'm gonna make this centered, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm kind of off the screen, right? Like that. So if we go back to we'll call this one right here. We're gonna go here, filters. We're gonna go add a advanced mask. We're going to say okay, and we're going to do a alpha mask. We're going to do it by source, and the source is going to be Bill. Bill, and there you go. You are now Bill. You're welcome. How does that work for you? Does that work pretty good? That works pretty good? I mean, it's a thing. So now you are the bill. So that is in that, and there's that. So we'll take VIP. So now we got to do one more screen here. So now I'm going to duplicate this bill 2, right? We're going to get rid of, we're going to copy, paste duplicate. Okay, so this one goes away. This one now is going to be filters. We're gonna default. Okay. All right. So now you got the bill here. Oh, that, or we'll say, wait, can you keep the, oh, no. Hold on. So now we're going to add the scene of the, that one right there. So we add this where you are that, we drop it below, we take our bill, and we're going to make the opacity kind of like that. Bliggity splat, you got yourself, you're on a bill. You're on a bill. Go, chat, go! There we go. So now you are the bill. And that's how you do it inside of OBS Studio. That's how it's done. Get rid of that. All right, so now that we have the bill in a scene, bill 2. What? Wait, where's so many of these bills in here? So many of these bills. All right, so that's there. That's there. Bill 2. So Bill 2 works. We can put, now we need to make a new scene called Bill 3. Bill motion. All right, Bill motion. So Bill motion is going to include in this, it's just a black screen. I know you guys can't see anything. It's so sad. Add a scene. We're going to add scene Bill 2. You don't understand how excited I am to be doing this. It's great. It's great. So we'll do this here like that, here like that. Crop it, just a scotch. All right. How large do you want this to be? He says, what about Bill Nye? What about Bill Nye, Cumes? What about Bill Nye? We can have Bill Nye up your bill hole if you want. If you want the chance of bonanza, you've just made this tenfoldly tougher. You jerk. Jerk. Asking for everything, aren't you? Asking for everything. Well, let me just get this. Let me just get the small one done first, okay? Let me get the small one done first, and then we'll make him cover the entire screen. I mean, we could do that. Yeah, we could do the whole bonanza. The whole thing could be a bonanza, and this could actually just cost a lot of monies. I mean, that's one way of doing it. Yeah, we could do that. That works for me. Okay, so now, right-click, filters, add, move source. We're going to call this bill start, and then we're going to take bill 2. Start delay, this is going to take 10 milliseconds to get to. No ease in, no ease out. We're going to make it quadratic. We say get transform. Now we're going to duplicate this, and we're going to say bill end. Okay, so this is now going to take a lot of points to get. Okay, it could go here and then down. You want it to have motion like that? We could have it be like this, kind of up and down, or you want it just to be straight across. Straight across, like it's more classic. It's more classic. More classic. All right, right like there, right there. Bill end is going to take blah, 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 blah. We'll give you 5 seconds of glory. 5 seconds of glory, and then the next move will be to Bill start. Bill start. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one's gonna cost a bit of lay loot, okay? This one is gonna cost a bit of lay loot, but when you fire off Bill, it's gonna do this. You're gonna be across the screen like that. You're literally gonna take up the entire screen for the 5 seconds. So we could make this one like a 5,000 pointer to really go. So that will be your profile picture on there. And I think that works pretty cool. Pretty coolly. Yeah? Yeah? Are we liking this? It's all bonsai bills. How much do we make per hour? How much do we make per hour? What do you mean? How much do we make? Oh, I think you get like 100 points every 5 minutes. I think it's some stupid number. Like it's a really stupid number. Yeah. So every time you chat, it does a poll, I believe. It does a poll. A polling system is how it works. And then every like 5 minutes, every minute. So once you check in with a chat, like Bleeding Weasels just chatted, that starts the timer over. So that means that for now, the next 5 minutes, it's going to give Bleeding Weasels points per whatever. So what do we got? So points, get user points, sample redeem, points set, complete, duplicate gift points invalid, add points action, shout out, set points name. Where's the beginning of this? Check points for redeem, check points for balance, present viewer, present action, command, message, add set points completed. Is that it maybe? No, I don't know. So hold on, set points. It's like set points. It's one of these. Modifying their own points. Wait, what? Mod all user is corrupt and trying to modify the points. Oh gosh, we gotta raise. I don't know. I don't set points. Add points action with username. Is that it? Change the above to anything but true to prevent mods from setting their own points. Set it to anything but true to to stop mods. No, we want that. We trust our mods. Action name doesn't exist. This is not. I don't know. It's somewhere in here, man. I think it's like set points name is in here. Action points name. I don't know. There's so many things to go through. So many things to go through. Present viewers, first word, add level. These are all redeems. Sample redeem. You literally names it allow corruption. And they're like, hey, this causes corruption. It's I'm using this for something. For something. All right, so let's go try to put this build together real quick. All right, we're gonna put this build together. So what up, Soar Highest Scout? Welcome to the stream. To do this, what did we just do here? So we have this one right here. This is what we want. So this is gonna be, I need all of this. I don't need that. Delete this. No. Delete all sub actions? No. Delete sub action. Yes. Okay, get global this. Default of 1. All right, so this is all going to go underneath the redemption of that bill. Commands. I'm thinking about it. So add command. Add. Should it be lay bill? It'll be bill. It's been a little bit. Not too long. Not too long. Sources, YouTube message, bam. Okay. So now we go to, should we save this? Actions. We're going to go now to this one. Duplicate. I think there should be a Q command that just says the Discord link. That's pretty smart, Stick. That's pretty smart. Maybe we can get away from doing viewer levels altogether and never have to worry about a Q command ever again. Huh? Look, I got LeFave, but nobody wanted to tell me how to do it. So, you know, we got, there's that. I tried, man. How do I get all of these? Wait, run. So if I get rid, nope, we're going to go here. Copy sub action. So much work. So much work for a bill. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Go here. Paste sub action. That's one. Hold on. Yeah, you know, when you're not doing Geometry Dash and you're a Geometry Dash live streamer, you do have less people, but I don't care. That's the first one. This is the second one. Copy sub action. Bill. The second, I can't do them all at once, unfortunately. I'm hoping this works. I'm not sure if it will. We're hopeful. Copy sub action. Bill has got to pass Congress before it gets on stream. Good one. Now we have a sound for Bill. We have a sound. Paste sub action. So the sound is actually this one. It's actually called a thwomp. Believe it or not. I think it's like a thwomp. It was called a thwomp. Thump. Boom, boom, boom. Was it Bullet Bill? Did I call it Bill? Did I not call it Bill? It was a thwomp sound. What happened to my thwomp sound? Bill. Oh, there we go. You hear that? You hear that? Make it louder. Louder. Perfect. There's one. Duplicate. And we're going to put a little bit of time in between each one. Add a delay. Add a recent. Delay. So the delay is going to be 40 milliseconds, I think. I think that works. 40 milliseconds. Duplicate sub action. Right there. Oh wait, no. You go up there. All right, so let's go boom, boom, boom. Play sound, and then it's going to be here. Fix this one. Filter state. This is going to be for Bill move. Bill motion, and it's going to be Bill end. Okay. Do all of that, and then duplicate sub action, and we're going to say this takes at least 6 seconds before it can be ended. All right, and this one has to be in a queue. All right. Woo! And then we got to do the points. So right now it's set to 100. Try it out. See if it works. I don't know if it's going to work. I think it'll work. A lot of work. It's exclamation point Bill. No? Oh, I didn't add it to this scene. Oh, I didn't add Bill motion to the scene. Oh my gosh, what an idiot. Don't do it yet. Add scene Bill motion. All right, now you can try. I think those need to be longer delays. So it's got to be 100. 100. I was afraid of that. 100, 100. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it did work. There we go. But that took pixel dops. All right, got pixel dops on there. It doesn't give the eggplant. It does give the eggplant. I didn't change that. Just redeemed. Just redeemed. Redeem name for points cost. You know. Okay, so we need to change the name here to Bill. Okay, there's that. So let's try that. Bill. That's pretty funny. 20 points a minute. That's what I thought. I thought it was 20 points a minute. So every 5 minutes you get 100 points. So we're going to just leave it like that and then make our point structure as such. That's what I'm thinking. So are we happy with that, Music Man? Does that work for you? I don't know if these have queues. Queues default. It needs to be in a queue. Queue. So it needs to have its own queue. How do I do this? Bill. Oh, I need to create a queue. So go to queues. Here. Wait, do I have any in here? No. Chatting default. Add a queue, and we're going to call this redeems, right? It's going to be a blocking queue. I think I want it to be blocking. Now out Bill Nye, Bill Gates, Bill Clinton. You're so no. When enabled, actions in the queue will be run in sequence. Each action waits for the previous ones to complete. Perfect. Redeems. We'll call that redeems. Now we go to our actions. So now we're going to put the queue in here of redeems. Redeem for Bill. Fire in the hole can go whenever it wants, just a sound. This one can go whenever it wants, and eggplant can go whenever it wants. That works. All right. So multiple people now do the Bill command. All right. Multiple people. Go ahead. It should do each one consecutively. So there is sticks. That should wait to be done. And then it should do Music Man. Hey, is that annoying enough? I mean, I think it's a good little annoying thing. Like you're shooting a bill with sounds over the screen with your profile picture on it. I think that's a pretty good redemption right there. It's a pretty good redemption, if you ask me. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I need a better sound there. Not annoying enough. Should we add the name Pixel Dops to it to give it that extra touch of annoyingness? Just a little Salt Bay for you. just right. Oh, fantastic. So we go to the website. Go here. Gift, ad section, text, bill. I won't put the points on here though, because that just costs money. Fire off a annoying, but could be more annoying custom bullet bill across the screen. There we go. All right. This works out. And one that ends the stream, but it's like 5 billion. Planetarium. We have that one. It's already built. It was where is it? It's not on here. It's very, very, very easy. It's very easy to do that one. You beat another hard demon. Congratulations, Cubes! Planetarium. I mean, that one would have to cost money. It's not even points. Like, I think if you donated $150, you could stop the stream, or I don't know, something stupid. Something stupid. I don't know. That could be a thing. It could be a thing. All right. That's enough for now. That's enough for now. Done enough of that. I've done enough. We've done enough. Let's look at this thing that I haven't looked at yet. Let's look at this thing. Can't believe I'm taking a break with this. Search skeletal shenanigans. Search. I don't know how to spell skeletal shenanigans. How do you spell it? Shenanigan. Check event level. Where's that? Event. Heave ho. No. Skip. Ah, that one. That's the one. Levels. Whoa. Doing lots. View. Save it. Oh, I've practiced it before. Look at that. Am I really going to do this? This seems dumb. Seems like a dumb idea, guys. Ode to Yord is a fun platformer boss. Really? 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 I might be more game for a platformer than skeletal shenanigans. 4 minutes? It's an insane demon, man. What do you do? Don't hit that? What do you do? What's the point? You got a cool platformer, man? Too bad we didn't add the add command. Are we just avoiding this thing? Is it a boss fight? What, do you need to use this? Oh, that's cool. That's neat. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Pretty tough, though. So you gotta wait for him. Oh, that's cool. Very neat. Oh, no! What a cool concept. What a neat concept. Kind of maddening. Kind of maddening. Not gonna lie. Got there. Come on back. Come on back. Woo! I wonder if how much he changes. If this is pretty easy or if it gets harder. Woo! Good hit. No! Very cool. I like the pixelization here. Too neat. Too neat. For real. Can I just make that jump? I feel like I just make that. I could just make it. Making the enemy move consistently like this based on the screen is very impressive. It is. You gotta wonder, is it like Pac-Man though? Is it like the Ghost? Does it have a variability to it? Is the question. He does? Well, that's cool. Going, going, going. Oh, no! He attacks? Oh, no! Have I played the tower? Yeah, I didn't really like that. I don't like ones with a lot of the spikes. I'm not a spike fan. Yeah, I don't feel it. Maybe I was being a little ready. A little overzealous, we'll say. A little overzealous. I'm good, Pixel Dops. Pixel Dops went from no to look up this list. I love it. I love it. I love it. So Bill, we do need to change the cost of Bill. Bill is too cheap. Bill needs to be. We'll make it 1,000 right now. For now, 1,000. There we go. We'll make it 1,000. I'm gonna have to update the website to all of the different commands, but I really don't feel like doing that. It's like tedious labor. It's what I'm supposed to have moderators for, right? People to do that sort of thing. So if you guys would like some points, you guys let me know. Gift lay loot. We're gonna go stick first. Stick, you're gonna get. I'm gonna give everybody some points for being here today. Okay, so you guys are gonna have a really weird point total. There we go. Copy. There you go. Stick, you got 177 points. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Pixel Dops, you're gonna get how much Pixel Dops been in there? Let's see. We're gonna give Pixel Dops 183 today. There you go. There you go. What up, Tonk? What up, Tonk? Who else has been here today? Who else has been active on the old stream? JC the OG. We're gonna do gift points, gift lay loot to JC the OG. You're gonna get an astounding 200, 204. Gift music man. All right, Music Man wants some more. We're gonna give Music Man a whole lot more. There you go, Music Man. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, you've been. I can't. Oh, I can't gift minuses. I tried pulling a fast one there. I tried pulling a fast one. Cumes, you're gonna get Cumes, because Cumes is always the winner in Icon Wars. You get 500 points, Cumes. Maybe you'll start showing up a little bit more. There you go. There you go, Music Man. Just added a negative 9,999 to your total. You're welcome. Can't rob me. I put it all on an offshore account. Look, I know all about the Bahamas, bro. I just got you. Tag. Yeah, we'll do some. Yeah, Cumes is the Icon Wars winner, baby. You need a set points you can use. What do you mean? You mean set? Oh, I could do that too. I have that. It's already in here. Set points. So, like for instance, I can do set. Is it lay loot? Did I change that? Commands. Did I change the set? Set. Yeah, I did. So, like, for example, set lay loot at Music Man 0. What? Make sure it's set points. Username equals number of points. Oh, wait. So I have to do equal. Oh, I do equal sign. That's you suck at this robbing stuff. I'm so bad. Set lay loot at Music Man equals 2. Music Man now has 2 points. Sorry, Music Man, not enough for Bill. It wouldn't have worked on this scene anyway. It wouldn't have worked here anyway. Copy, paste. All right. Can I put you in debt? I don't know. Let's see. Set lay loot. Probably not. At hello equals -5. Nope. I can only put you at 0. That's all I can do. You get to 0. You're welcome. The loan sharks are gonna find you. Set lay loot at Music Man equals. There you go. You did not enter a value. Oh, yeah, I did. Set lay loot at Music Man equals. Is your profile picture cool? You know what? You know what we're gonna do here? Set lay loot at hello. I'm gonna give you. Check this out. I'm gonna give you 1,000 points. So hello, this is my username. I want you to do the command. What? I'm such an idiot. Such an idiot. Such an idiot. Copy. You're gonna fire off a command that is gonna put your username across the screen. All right. So now do !Bill, just like Music Man just wrote, and your profile picture is gonna be on the screen in a big old bullet bill. Here we go. There you go. Is my profile picture and is it cooler? Nice. Now you have 0 points.